How much should you actually spend on a ping pong paddle? It's tricky because you see those budget options and think they'll get the job done. But then there are those pricey ones that might leave you wondering if they're actually worth it. Today, let's break it down. Product number 1, Glimnness Ping Pong Paddles Set. The Glimnness Ping Pong Paddles set caught my eye right away with its affordable price of just $22.99 and the fact that it comes with not just 2 paddles, but 4, plus balls and a storage case. If you're a beginner or an intermediate player looking for a solid starter kit, this is worth a serious look. This set is made from 7 layers of poplar wood, which means it's designed to be durable but also lightweight enough for speed. The inverted rubber surface is 1.5 millimeters thick, which enhances control and rotation when you hit the ball. If you want to master spins and improve your game, that feature is essential. With a 4.5-star rating and over 2,000 reviews, it's clear that many players are happy with their purchase. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a reliable set can really boost your confidence when playing against friends or in casual matches. Now, some people complained about the paddles feeling a bit lightweight and not as sturdy as higher-end options. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or playing for fun, that lightweight feel can actually help you develop your skills without straining your wrist. But if you're looking to compete seriously, you might want to consider a more advanced paddle. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who plays casually with friends. Skip this one if you're a serious player looking for that professional edge. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if that lightweight feel bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with its premium build. Product number 2, Pro Spin High Performance Paddle Set. Next up, we have the Pro Spin High Performance Paddle Set priced at $49.99. This set includes 4 paddles and 8 high-quality balls, making it great for serious players. If you're looking to upgrade your game while still having fun, this might just be the answer. What's really impressive here is the 1.8 millimeter sponge on the paddles, which provides superior spin and control. That means you can send the ball flying with confidence and accuracy. The ultra-smooth handles allow for comfortable play during long matches, eliminating any distractions that might hinder your performance. Plus, with a 4.6-star rating from 7,600 reviews, it's clear this set has a loyal following. What does this mean for you? Better performance and comfort lead to a more enjoyable game. Some users mentioned that the paddles might be a bit pricey for casual players. But honestly, if you're serious about improving your skills or playing more competitively, I'd argue the investment pays off in the long run. It's really about putting your money where your passion is. This is perfect for you if you're looking to step up your game and take your skills to the next level. Skip this if you're only playing occasionally and aren't worried about performance. The quality justifies the price tag. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for creating a fun atmosphere. Product number 3, Pro Spin Colorful Paddle Set. The Pro Spin Colorful Paddle Set is another fantastic option, coming in at $44.99. This set not only contains 4 paddles, but also features limited edition colors that add a bit of personality to your game. If fun and flair are what you're after, this is worth a serious look. Like the previous set, these paddles come with a 1.8 millimeter sponge for excellent spin and control. They're designed for players of all skill levels, ensuring that whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you can enjoy the game. The handles are triple sanded, which means they feel smooth and comfortable during play, helping you stay focused on the game. With similar ratings as the previous model, it's a popular choice among players. If you want to stand out while playing, this is a great pick. Some customers pointed out that the fun colors could distract from the seriousness of the game. But honestly, I think that adds an element of fun and excitement to casual matches with friends or family, turning a regular game night into something special. This is perfect for you if you love to add a personal touch to your sports gear. Skip this one if you're looking for a strictly professional-looking set. For the price, you get both style and performance. Now, if you don't care about aesthetics but want performance, the next product is all about that. Product number 4, Pro Spin Basic Paddle Set. Next, we have the Pro Spin Basic Paddle Set, priced at just $29.99. This option includes 2 paddles and 3 balls, making it a budget-friendly choice for anyone looking to get into the game without spending too much. If you're not ready to commit to a full set, this is worth considering. These paddles also feature a 1.8mm sponge, giving you decent spin and control for practice. The design is simple, focusing more on functionality rather than flashy looks, which means they're perfect for honing your skills without distraction. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 7,600 reviews, it shows that players appreciate the quality for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a no-frills option to start your ping pong journey. However, some have said that the set feels more basic compared to the higher-end options, which is true. But here's the thing. If you're just starting out or playing casually, this simplicity is actually beneficial. It helps you focus on mastering your technique without any overwhelming features. This is suitable for you if you want a simple, effective way to get started. Skip this if you're looking for advanced features or a full set. For what you pay, it offers good value. Now, if you're still looking for that competitive edge, the final product on my list might just fit the bill. Product number 5, ProSpin Colorful 2-Paddle Set. Finally, we have the ProSpin Colorful 2-Paddle Set, also at $29.99. This set comes with 2 paddles and 3 balls, similar to the previous one, but with a twist. It features limited edition colors. If you want something practical yet appealing, this is worth checking out. These paddles, too, are built with a 1.8mm sponge for good spin and control, making them suitable for both practice sessions and friendly matches. The colors add a fun touch without compromising quality. The consistent 4.6-star rating from thousands of reviews shows that users are happy with their purchase. This matters because having gear that you enjoy using can enhance your overall experience. Some users might find the colorful design a bit juvenile, which could be a concern if you prefer a more serious look. But I see it as a way to inject some personality into your game, especially when playing with friends. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, yet effective paddle set. Skip this one if you're looking for something more serious and professional. For the quality and aesthetic, it's a good deal. So there you have it, a range of ping pong paddles from budget-friendly options to high-performance sets. Whether you're just starting out or looking to add some flair to your game, there's something here for everyone. Whatever choice you make, just remember that the right paddle can make all the difference in your game. Happy playing!